Ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabondo mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil ya wigo chiriye chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chiri kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori lyabantabati wigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye wochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora wikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi, mbona mbwata hapa? Nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kirahisi. Oya, Omboi. Sikiliza nikwambie. Bi mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa eh? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza wadogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi uko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Werebu ya umwanchwa umurigerali litukeliga lya litukulia Jumaine chitariki 15 na ibere chomotienyi ogatano narimo omwaka wechiri bubere na 25 ebere na 25 mwancho murigerelie ne lituko amanganya kabakwane kiwa sense ya Kenya kwa mono ase litukulia lero chibura buru chenya kabajikone kwa imi mochonye Nairobi asegeka na ase omunyanyimbo yomo anyorekana gose abugato chibicha gakora egekore getari ekio kubo mwanya banto sarekana gakora sa omusayo yomo gosomonto yomo ase omutuo oye egento Kenya kabagekorera omunyanyimbo monene guso omo Inspector General Police Douglas Kanja kurogo chika omunyanyimbo kwa biara na boigo nigagochikwa bosio wekegambiro na gosoerwa ase ama mocha yumancho murigerelie egeneke onga chinsa ibere litukeligali ala roncha nigongoro kwaro ni ototo nyangire kuna nseme menyerero nigakorwa Wilson Makoli na negatia na kwaliganire sema goroba ya lero.
Na tunaendelea kuifanyia kazi. Nimeikabidhi kamati ya bajeti
ebikaro bye bunge ya Nyamira kwiranirwa ase emerobali yo kurigerelia budget yo mwaka 2025-2026 ya chakire
December lakini keweka December munga shwenga mangana alikote bakere ward mubekereti mole the report next statement chaino kama taji restored 100 million
amegeli gochia ase abaremi bechiombe che mabere kogendera ime county ya Nyamira
tukurangiria PA ya gochanga ngakita tutumire ndo gutagura nyumba tamaiti bantu nonye no mwarimu atamaiti tukakira mwarimu amanene tukomugori ngakiyari
okunguzana kwene kigwa kubwatakana no bwagachi amono gutagurwa gwekirasi ya skuru ya Kiabira ime ye bunge ya North Mugirango. Na mwancho murigereri ritukoria lero nigo ibikaro bye bunge yenyamira benyakoba bikwirinirwa inse yomo speaker bwe bunge yomo Secretarius Nyabaro ase embero billions yanyakoba gekobekwa na gukwanirwa igoro yogochiko kuwochikoro sikwa budget yo mwaka bwe chirubere na 2025 nabo igo chirubere na 2025 mo ase banyarakoba bakurwa chingwana ao igoro yomo rebelyo omugima banyako korawa hamono mo speaker Secretarius Nyabaro amatuka make magega ikigambiro ko mwene kia buna nere umo speaker bwe bunge yo Muligito Fatika Disemba na mange
Hekero amatuko atigaire 13 ka yogwetia budget nigo korase county ya Nyamira rero bachakire omoroberio bwogwetia budget eyo asebono baganetie kera omo MCA naboigo serikali ye county ya Nyamira bonsi kubwamo kubwaterana eryo koroisia budget yo mwaka wechibesa wechirububere na 2025 chirububere na 2025 nemo.
Ninashukuru wa gavana na timu yake yote kwa vile tumepokea nakala ya fiscal strategy paper ambayo inatuongoza vile tutafanya, alafu tutapitisha pacheti na tunaendelea kuifanyia kazi. Nimeikabidhi kamati ya bajeti.
The senior council, actually the order of the judge was that the CFSP be taken to the honorable clerk for purpose of making recommendations, consideration and approval of the county fiscal strategy paper as part of the budget making process. So Waziri and the team, they are obeying the court orders.
Aiga nigo mawaziri wechibesa imeye county ya Nyamira Jones Omwenga aikirana ase committee ye budget imeye bunge ye county ya Nyamira eryo kwerera bona kera department yabeirege gusangirira kibesa bona enjira eyemo yokoreta amagenderero anene asumwaka bw'ekibesa wechirububere na 2024 chirububere na 2025 naigo nigo yamanyikana bona ebirenko ebinene byebango igusangiririrwa Nyamira nigo igucha kurwase department yobochenu weterase umuroberio o FIF.
Budget making process has got timelines, and we must also make sure we stick to those timelines and make sure we have a budget, because we don't have a budget as a count, then there will be no count. And I want to thank you because you are making it so, because we have only 13 days to ensure that we have the approved CFSP and approved budget. And I know with the help of the chair, we'll be able to achieve that. Another request which I wanted this honorable house to consider, let us work within the time we have. The time is very, very, very small, and looking at the budget of our county is very big. It's a big document, and if you can be able to translate and make sure that we understand the document and approve the document, because that's the document which will guide the county government.
Ese moyende nigo aba MCA abaiga baganirie serikali ye county ya Nyamira kera department kubeka emeroberio emikiranu yo gusangiriria ebango nabatige gusemeria department yo wachenu yoka eryo wekirania amagenderero Nyamira.
We will be allocating operations and maintenance to a department. It can also assist us to understand whether a department wants to consume without delivering. So that is the reason.
And as the chief officer has correctly put it, we have a big question that we need to ask ourselves. Wholesomely, let us not keep that big question to the department only, but as individuals also, we should ask ourselves, what should we do so that we can improve on those departments that are performing, let me use the word poorly. That has also not depend on the FIF only, because that dependence on FIF only is the one that has made most of our facilities in different ways in our county not having sufficient medicine that should be supplied to our people.
Hinko reporter Gatembe kurwase amaga chamanene ye bunge ye county ya Nyamira ya kutoka imeye ward ya township e bunge ya West Mugirango. Fatgad Yesemba.
Na wananchi nigo baboligwe kwegwatirania ase byombe aho goseji cooperative eriko nyarako baba gwesemya na gwekinia asemero byabo ya botambe niga nyarako bagokwanwa ase amagiri yagenderete ime ye county Nyamira namono ali arengete abaremi bolse bali abagosaba tugi bechiombe chia mabere munago tumonye muri kito Paul Cup Okara
no murubiri uhonyarako bagokubaretamo abaremi korwase chiwadi chonsi me bunge ya North Mugirango abo banyariko bakonyora megilio kibaranyariko bagotuga etugo kubwatia machiko yekiagirigacha nabego kwa nikikonyora liga sali nyinge elia mabere.
Tunasema pia the right soap na inafaa kwa mahali ambapo kuna hewa safi. Sawa sawa. Container yenye tunakamua inapaswa kukaa hivi.
Na megilio ratkonyariko bakonya bali mikwenekia kwa nyorera liga sali nyinge elia mabere. Asokoboli wakore uchasa bali mikweneki munango igwatani barasa chi cooperative iliho kwenyorera anene oboita kurwase serikali nene.
Tamangana ye president yane igantebe tiga nale tayari gotanyamira mutiyenyonde bonzo gotakeragas when we are ready. Koira ninde report mataimu abeire ready ndikeli rube muri request for December lakini kewe December munga shwenga mangana alikote bakere ward mobe kereti mole the report next statement chaino kama taji restored 100 million atuli kerete kiato urwali asijidoni sauda nyasambi yamano
ukwane kirike boigo Josephine Omano yurumunya kirogo oderi pod message ya Kenya igaho hagendere koba akohule serikali ya county kwa nikibunango ere okoboko engane yiga asoko ligenjira baranyariko bakaraisia ase kirima likiraro isigwe bunenjira yamo yokogesa mabera yiga elio abalimi kwekonya
ono nateberega abantu bamintu mulozi bunangerwete singuru zingete cyaki cyebese ese nera ali affirmative action mwale wanja 2027 lilina amachetie na ile lakini ngamotsiga natangaswa 2027 nabasabira abakamura abangina mura abana basahimura Igere lyo mongino yo gwate akiri yo kolete gasi yo gotokulika abana baino. Boyo nale koboli abarayi baito banyamira aba member of parliament baito bali bane asechi constituency yaitu. Tuachakira mangana ya yobolemi kere constituency nale kobasaba naine aba MP baito ekero mogo twara libagaligi
County konye Nyamira
reporteri seneki Gatembe kurugaiga ngaya North nge county ya Nyamira ingongoro kwa Cup.
wa
echiro echombe njara abeta igasinya abangi na babange torega iga na tokonya nabo toraitabani lakini akaene pingaimokorere biashara
echinga kimaga yo kuona ne committee abanyarwanda bagukonera ne mono igoro yo konyorobo konyi kurwa as national government yiranya ko bayikubaga chire chiro kurende abantu abange niko banyarwanda bagukonera obolemo obutanyarwanda buko toka ne mono asuko ga chinga kibono ba keire nyombe yere mayaga ne gigahiga abo gekorekana ya chakire kugwa sebire biga ekagere go chekwaga chokoba ekot niko bono ibirengeri obanyarwanda bikuru gwa senseme kurende asena mbenene barekane buna niko batagete ane mono nyombe go tagoro nabo go chiro kwagachwa ayemo asayemo
mwede taride kwambuka osire ityale dia Kyogoro market iga agatuachire buna abanyabiashara ba Kyogoro ene committee yare tuitene nera abanyabiashara na bare igo tore tuachira asengencho kwagachirwe echiro chibesa njiri tiachire national government tete gutwagachire echiro 70 million bono igo tuachira tore maminja nyombere maega eta goru ya gachetwe maminja ya committee ya Kyogoro echiro eta gorwe twagajirwe chireyo esengenjo ntoko siri 70 million asengenjo irirono rire me maega gadi tabwatigasi bono twachira toko gikeri enyombere maega eta gorwe twagajirwe chiro
Richard Matimo agenda umukonyi wa Madam Muridia Kyogoro market mambie ngiya togo chane amate ya Kyogoro kwa chumura abanyabiashara na abantu bonse ba Kyogoro goteba nyomba nere yabege Kyogora ondatamanyiri yagotire egenderete kugwa asengenjo yoburayo buya bwa serikali ya itere kerogo bono iga bomo chumbo ito oitwanjete bwanchire gotoroserie echiro ya kisasa ekororekana buya
jegnara goteba neki we are receiving funds from the national government which I say county ito and Kyogoro has happened to be chosen as a market which by the national government. Ntobasa kwirira maega na bintu bichikoti ga chitato konya saboni ga sengencho ya taokire and very if natonyechi nga ko chakra boniga tego chukokuru boniga so ndege ndenda tebe abana yuti abange mare mate ga ari batabwa ts ba cho ba kole biasara abantu mbare chirongo be kwerega to be kuruba ke wifi abana yuti bakole gasi online batare ko ni bintu byabo
bone gento tware ko ire neringa mbiya mona e government ya torete ire chiro gaiga aesto ko beke chire gento kereke bekiro oronga ne koti ekitole maminja tutamanyeti moroche muna mokerigerere tiga nkegenderete ko gaste ke okora bono tuetiri tuensi pimune committee na abanyachiro baito bari tokoranga egento ekeke kuse mara mocha echire bekuoro eyego chikokonya abangina baito na inde no ene kegoria ekeke kurumaega kego chikonyara ke okonya kambi ya mona
Kuripoteria egitasini kia getembe masa mukuru gigaiga ensemo yechiro ya Kyogoro egotoka imyanyari bari chache county ya Kisii igonkoro kwa Pius okemwa biob
na omwanjwa omurigeria abaibori abo boigobare abaibori nabanyakinyoro boigobare abaibori be skuru ya Kiabirawa egotoka ase ward ya omwagamo ebunge ya North Mugirango rituko ria rero nigo banyara koba bagwesokia na goborio kugusana na kuri ase skuru yo kunyara ko koera anne mono igoro yo kubwagachi wekerasia kemo kugusana ko ne kigwa egati yabo amo no mwemusie bwe jinsamecho na gotumanya murigito fatika digesemba
abanyakenyoro abo boigo bare abaibori ase skuru yoboroso ya Kiabira egotoka ewodi ya bomwagamo ebunge ya North Mugirango county ya Nyamira besokirie na korokia ogotagokiwa kwabo komo MCA bwe wodi eyo omoske Julius Nyangana yoko imukia egetambukiro na kugania gotagora ekerase getaro isire buya ase birengo ebyo beganirie ase skuru eyo
sponsor ni kanisa na magana gokorwo na yige kanisa krasi ngerari kia gachitukare karumo isimi gwito Nyangana ari ngiriri ari kurukwo mwemusie na rikia gachitu yabeire kiachire giatagokire twachira obisi twamwere sire no enere gweka tokonye utugusiri krasi keria abana ngo kumya bali obaira atari gukerusi
nigo boiko bakomochia omo MCA oyoiga asugutabwatirania oboteneneri bwe skuru erio chinchera chonsi kobwatigwa erio ekerasi ekyo kemanye gotagurwa
gachite tokurangiria ntu togochigocha tokonyara abantu kera bari tokubarushi ororo tokurangiria PA ya yegocha ngakita tutumire ndogotagura nyumba tamaiti bantu nonye no mwarimu atamaiti tokakira mwarimu amanene tokomugori ngakiyari mwarimu kana tamaiti mangana nyumba muna yari gutagura ng'aire ndi ng'akimo gokore gasi yo gutagura nyumba bo ikabana kuruoro inkiru sa mutu werese ng'akimo gutagura nyumba bagaje tuakodi nyanga na gacha kasaba mabira
chini ko korwe contractor ya kanu yana ne class ko chisku class kiti atumeke oro manyere ko jago to kaira ngai contractor ngai ko tanga ko chere ko tagora ng'aire materials chai since when fine na boyo contractor bera to ketra kan lakini taro ko jaka rase report management ajete so we are guilty to agaiji ko na to ko mokani nga tigesi ke buno morai ebinte byako kwale bige ko nya commercial fu tigatige
Ensemo yaye omo MCA Julius Nyangana nigo aigereire na komocha abaibori abaiga ase kubaseria chibundi abo baigete eskuru eyorit koria igoro asogotagora ekrasi ekeiga nagoteba nigo arache kobaimokeria egetambokero abaiga bonsi
nje asa malita ngoro ko mushimi Nyangana ngoro wodi ya mugamo ali mu mugamo enare korosi birasi bire tabu akamongere ateneine kibwata mabati amachokire ne kende ngendrete onya mwiko romwaro ngakiaire birina abikira abantu to endere gasi eyo omu abantu amanye kurwa abande ntaba manyeti mbona acha kotebumba rabiaba uterine gasi eyo so by tomorrow county commissioner na bwandere tukoligia na DCI babua tuna kusibwechera kabisa bato erese ngaki engo egasi ye kwende yaba na nchi gotenena ngiba gotenene because na egasi ya endere toro aje ningo ereningo
Chingaki echecho nigo omoskinyangana atebire ekirasi ekeiga nigo kirasabe nandikira abaisa kwirera nonyina makweri ase abana
umwe musina ro koire bintu byaye wodi teru ngaiba chira imana mangana enkwanyore gaskendrete ekirasi kirikira gwero umwana bona aswi talk na to kwana bona iga umwana obuguma bw'umuntu no wirani nire limu bw'umuntu na abana no bahutie name ekirasi kya pendri again tukunta tikora aburi na webete chichuma chiri na webete chitie merango na webete chitirisa nga ibintu bichite because ikirasi kyo kereka kyalenge before na bona iga sikiro bayire that the person who went to kubwatu
Hingo reporter agatembe kurase skuru ejiga yoboroso ya kiabira ejego toke meya ward ya Bomagamo ebunge ya North Mugirango e county ya Nyamira Njefatigad Isemba
Mwanju murigereri ogoitwa kwa Albert Ojwang uyorengo mworokia na boigo omuploga ase amatuko angata nabere aitire ni go kugenda kodaliberera ne chingwana ao ime yense engima ya Kenya ase boigo litukulia lero abasae banyaka bakwandamana gusegati y'abananji banyaka bakwandamana ase omuchie o Nairobi kugendera kobolia omokonyi bo monene w'abanyanyimbo Deputy Inspector General of Police kunyara kaba gakobuga tugose kobe kubyara na gosoerwa gusoko kwa bosio bwekagambiro mulikito Ruto Murara ni garigereria oroboti urwenge igoro yogo kwaye Albert Ojwang na gwikirabo onega kelikegerete kwanekiwa
na matuko kianda aitire kurwa ugusira ku mworokia Albert Ojwang asegeta seni kia banyanyimbo kia Central umuchio Nairobi Albert Ojwang uyuboigo urumu blogger ni gasiriti bugima bwaye magigayo gotebekana imejela yegeta seni kyo n'abantu bakagire ko babakumusagana n'abanyanyimbo begeta seni kyo gia Central kitariki sana ibiri cy'umutio nyoyo na magiga yaye ko rarigwa gusira ubugima bwaye asenya gitari yambagathi ugo kwa Ojwang nigo kwaretire liberera kurwa asikinsemo aho abange babo bakobolia omukonyi bw'omunene bw'abanyanyimbo gose DIG Eludagati gotikigwa emirimo na kubekwa byara iri gutina bosibu kigambiro koeresa buna nero soerete Ojwang asoko musaliri tase mitandao wekera bona oniga abantu gwetanya batano babekire byara habonga mono mosi asibigeta seni ya Central Samson Talam abasibo batatu naboigo omunyanyimbo yomo asilieta James Mkwana oyo rwete oborori buna nigo achigeto na Talam kumususura Ojwang egento kirete ugusire kwa yobugima Litkorie igoro nigo Eludagat tigetie meremo asegeka elikwana naliba gobotuki koene kigwa nonya nabo nigo abasae nabo igo abarwaneri bo bwene bw'amanyabantu barobekanete asomochio Nairobi kugendereria ganga yabo yo koene kyabuna Eludagat obekiro byara kinko reporter Getembe ncheni gonkoro kwa Ruth Morara
na mwancho murigereria bonchereri nigo baboligwe gocha amo na kobwaterana elio banyara koba bagosirana ase okwegendereria kwabo akorwari tukochi ase elinde nabo gosirana na barabo banyane ana amo nechia mate chiabo nejingwana cyanya kwa chikobwato kwa negati yababwatani bakorawa amo no munyakero go bakoli emirimo bamatatu okongo mose
kane ngoro kwa Samson Mose ngondo mo chairman cha Chet Sport Cooperative Society ne cooperative society abantu ba transport ba chitamu bakarosia erio ego safe na koloni daire twabwate HM kora trobo choli twetia machikari akora cooperative ase umwako muyima abo busambale ngakura se cooperative batukari changus ngara neri chikuna lihotewa twakorire bia bigo ende ketaringa negento kira chakerero kere mambi ke ne rishirika iko genda mutwe na ndili agenda asatambe.
Cooperative iko na faida mingi sana. Ukiwa hapo kuna vitu mingi utapata, kama ukitaka mambo ya education bado iko hapo, funds mingi, kuna loans, kuna mambo ya biashara.
Kwa members 280 turagenda bange na inde intubono ga ireso kutoka gose omo member itoyomo onyoro robokong paelo ige kubwati ngamba kungukia nyora ikagera abantu bana toyirwe na mwanya abantu ngokutore ekero member asirire richi kondroro litigarite droro litali bokwa lirororo liko gaidinga ekere member yasirire ninki kebwenerete kokorwa amate yaye enyore obaene bwaye
ira ni ngambu ya mono senje bali wekera na se gochori to baterero ese HM yeito twachoriro gochori uya nane twachora abantu bali begene twegena nga machiko tokolega asingia ase umwako tokubwati mbako umwako gochigochondi nane ngosaba nga bali bondo bonsi batara join ese cooperative ye mo join.
Na muraibu ense omoske William Samoei Ruto nigo agendete kwegerera egetambukiro kia serikali ya Kenya Kwanza kugendera no bwagachi bwenyomba chieligoli ryanze ejimanya affordable housing projects as chinsemo ao ime yense ya Kenya. Omoske Ruto nigale gukwana ase omochi onakuru sanya kwa gwikirana enege ikaro gyokorigera ligoro yogokinia kwemechi emenene ime yense ya Kenya.
The houses are coming up. We have 150,000 under construction because it is doable. And the commitment I made to the people of Kenya is that as they contribute to the housing levy, as they contribute their housing levy, it is my responsibility to make sure that that money is not wasted, is not stolen, is not abused, and there is no corruption, and they get value for it. And that is my commitment. And I have told Alice here, and I have told Charles here, that if you award any house under this program beyond 42,000 shillings per square foot, I will not send the police. I will come myself. Yes, because that is the kind of attachment I have put on this housing program. And so, to my sister Judy, we have improved the program further. You know, we had a program where the houses were built under a different program. We've now improved the program further. Your colleagues will now get a better rate as before. I know we have KCB here as part of our partners. Is KCB around in the room? Yes, KCB is there. An average mortgage in Kenya was 18%. Working with KCB and other housing finance and others, what is the mortgage now, my friends, there? 9.5%. Is that right?
Na mwancho muligera chinga kijecho ni kwa gavana wa county ya Nakuru Muske Susan Kihika anyaraka gukwanira mirobeli ao ya serikali yakwanika mna ngokiniere emechi gosengoti gosirere okina kwemechi ao emenene himense ya Kenya.
Cities must be re-engineered as climate resilient ecosystems through green building codes, circular economies, clean mobility and nature-based urban design. Let us position Kenya not only as a responder to climate risks, but as a continental exemplar of green urbanization, where every infrastructure project, every investment decision, and every policy reform is judged by its contribution to resilience. Your Excellency, no country in the 21st century will thrive without a competitive, productive, and inclusive urban economies. Kenya's economic future is urban, full stop. Cities are where ideas become industries, where technology meets talent, where women and youth hustle not for survival, but for success. Our cities must evolve for consumption centers to value creation hubs. They must attract capital, nurture innovation, unlock urban land for investment, and foster industries that generate jobs at scale, especially for youth and women. The informal sector, long marginalized, must now be recognized as a foundation of our national economy. Our policies must enable rather than penalize. Our financial systems must extend credit, not exclusion. Let us invest in knowledge, cities, logistic hubs, digital corridors, cities that produce, cities that export, cities that lift. Your Excellency, we must also face an urban frontier displacement. Whether driven by climate, conflict, or economic distress, cities are increasingly becoming sanctuaries for the displaced. And yet, far too often, urban systems respond with neglect or hostility. We must commit to urban inclusion as a pillar of national cohesion. This means expanding access to housing, education, healthcare, and livelihoods for all residents, regardless of status. It means upgrading informal settlements with a sense of permanence and dignity. It means turning cities into platforms of integration, not zones of further exclusion. A city that welcomes the vulnerable is a city that strengthens the nation.
Aboigo mwanjo murigereri gokorera egeikaro kiogosira na gosegeta omwana omumura na boiga basacha se chinjira aho konyara kwa chikwerenda na gwekine barwa banyane na boigo gwetanga kurwa se chisegi chigenga yo gyanyara kwa gekoreka ase chinsemo chierigoyo Marakwet gose ase skuru yo borokia ya Tambachi yo gotoka ime ye county yo yerigoyo Marakwet ase boigo panyaka bagokwanira igore chinjira aho konyara kwa chigweta bagwetanga kurwa se amaroire aho nemechando ao eliranya kwa gerengete omwana umura.
Wewe ni ule una rep watoto, una defile watoto ya miaka 3, una rep watoto ya below 18, unaweka mimba watoto ya, na wewe ni mtu mzima, unaweka mimba watoto ya shule, primary, secondary. We are not going to allow you to stay in Elgeyo Marakwet County. Lazima utatafuta mahali utaishi. Na tumeambia wananchi, we have to name and shame.
Because when we tell girls about SGBV, but who are the perpetrators? Most of the perpetrators of SGBV, you will realize that almost 90% are again men and boys. If you look at issues of what His Excellency referred to, the adolescent pregnancies, in the year 2023, the country recorded, actually 2024, the country recorded almost 240,000 adolescent pregnancies. Who caused these pregnancies? It's men and boys. There is no pregnancy. There is only one pregnancy I know which was not caused by a man or a boy, and that pregnancy, you know it. It's in the Bible. But all the other pregnancies, 240,000, almost 690 per day, are being caused in the country by men. In these 8 counties alone, we had almost 40,000 pregnancies among these children. Let's call them children, between 10 and 19 in the year 2024. Who are the cause? Men and boys. And that's why we are gathering here as men and boys. We are not pointing an accusing finger. We are saying we have gone wrong. And how can we come back on track? That's the conversation that has been ongoing since morning. We have concentrated on women and the girl child for a very long time, but we realize that we are leaving men behind.
Most of them are their uncles, most of them are their brothers, their stepdads, their stepbrothers, their neighbors, their teachers, their religious leaders. So these all people are perpetrators when it comes to teenage pregnancies.
The statistics for mortality, for deaths, whereas 65% of people living with HIV are women or are female, when you go to the deaths are almost equal. It's actually in 2023, we lost almost an equal number of females and males, as opposed to more women, almost double the number of men are the ones who live with the virus. So you see, it's an epidemic that is affecting largely women, but the deaths have a phase of men.
Kwa sababu ukifika kwa kijiji kama hata mimba ya mapema imekuwa sasa watoto hata wakisoma kwa day school kuna watu wanawapa mimba tu kwa kijiji na tunakaa tu kama hakuna kitu. Kuna mwingine anafanya ile defilement ama ana rape na unapata watu wana discuss wanasema tunataka tufanye kienyeji, tuongee out of court agreement.
Mwanjo muligirire gwikira bono gukorera magana mayahe kionga chinsebiriri tukwiriga riarero ria Jumaine niko ngotiga sensemo ya kabire nyaga bakonyora obasemi bagatembe kurwa somo gaka ochoi inyambasura je niko ngoro kuharo ni ototo nyangiri kurwa nsemo imejeriri ga kurwa Wilson Makole na kurwa nsemo ya transmission ni ga kurwa DJ Action tumirane ase kionga chinsa inye
Bagaka ninjo, ninjo etembe, ninjo darome, ninjo mangana man, ninjo bangina ninjo.
Ine tekera murumbege ku konya nambulego tu biroje bikumbe igonga tu abantu mbaro konyora kero kindi mwanga ino usekero kindi mbanje tibinto gete ere bono bate getono ububiko kwa kuna koria usekero kindi akalo suna moromita usaka n'umukurumi oyo bono motekerege ku tekera murumbege ku konya nambulego tu bironje bikumbe oyo bono lyo kagete ngege tukiriao chikokore kebenko bakere tigekoba ore ne birengere libi aina otekerwege ku otekerege ku tekera murumbege ku konya nambulego tu bironje bikumbe bironje n'abantu balia bali bande na barabona lende batabwati mangana abatali maye ere bone ere keronje ibintu bya no kuna koliyo bo bibuka ai mbura no mbura ne mbura ne liyo tumo sarari mbura monyirira ai bono bina bego gotwera tekera murumbege ku murumbe na murumbe lirumbe lyumate ndiko bana mangana maye tekera murumbege ku konya nambulego tu bironje bikumbe no mugusi atebeteka ngecheka bire
Bagaka ninjo, ninjo etembe, ninjo darome, ninjo mangana man, ninjo bangina ninjo.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntubwate showroom asura chagwirigiriye amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo ere engale yuerengia na boigo ekogokie liso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriya amabati yiga ntubwate team Tembo abo bago kolemirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende kensi uraganie bago tebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na Green obutambe gwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase MRM showroom onyari kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuligo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simigwe trase chinamba chabo